In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CostMiner's material list. This process is invaluable for construction professionals looking to streamline their estimating and takeoff tasks. We'll walk through each step to ensure you understand how to effectively manage your materials within the CostMiner platform. To begin, you'll need to head over to the CostMiner platform. Simply go to your preferred web browser and navigate to the CostMiner login page. Once you're there, you'll see an option to log in. Click on Log In to CostMiner and enter your login credentials. This will grant you access to the range of tools that CostMiner offers for accurate and efficient project management. After logging in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Here you'll see various projects that you're currently working on or have worked on in the past. Click on the project you wish to work with, which will take you into that specific project's details. It's important to have your project plan accessible as you will be using it to reference materials and quantities. Once you're in the project, look for the Insert Item drop-down menu. This feature allows you to add or modify items within your project scope. Among the various methods for adding materials, you'll find the option to select predefined materials. One of the quickest ways is by using global rates, which simplifies the estimating process by providing you with standard cost data. Next, you'll need to click on From Global Rates. Here you'll be presented with a list of predefined materials grouped by categories. Select the items you require for your project. You can tick the checkboxes beside multiple items if you need more than one. This flexibility helps in efficiently adding a range of materials without having to repeat the process individually for each item. After you've selected the necessary items, click on Add. This action will transfer the chosen materials and their standard cost rates over to your project's material list. At this point, you'll be able to specify the quantities needed. Enter the numbers directly into the corresponding fields. As you do this, the software will automatically compute the rates for you, dynamically adjusting based on the quantities entered. And that's it. You've successfully added and managed your material list using CostMiner. This feature not only saves time, but ensures accuracy in your project cost estimates, allowing you to focus more on the project execution rather than manual paperwork. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore further and make the most out of CostMiner's toolkit.